Hi, this is Jay and welcome back to the channel, and thank you for coming back to another plan with me. To all my subscribers, thank you. I'm glad you subscribed and I hope you enjoy what I'm doing so far. I'm about to do a plan with me, and what I was doing, I was searching through some of my stuff, and I came across this Julie Nutton doll. And I thought for this week that I would do a spread around her and what I've done with her. So this is her, and her name is Dita. And I cut Dita out, and she looks like this now. I'm only gonna plan, let me just move this over so I can plan right here on this one. So I cut Dita out and she looks like this now. So I thought she came out pretty good. So I'm building my spread around Dita. So the first thing I want to do is lay down get some glue on this thing, if my glue will work. Well, it doesn't look like my glue want to work. See, just because I'm starting to get stuff done, glue don't want to work, glue don't want to work. So I'm going to lay this down here, put that there like that, so I can cover that up a little bit, because I'm not going to need it. I'm not going to need the note section up there. So I'm going to put that there. So I'm hoping everybody's doing good. I think most states are now locked down. So we're all into our lockdown mode and got to find stuff to do. So what I did was go down and go to the craft room, go look around in my craft room at my supplies to see what I had. Like I said, I usually, go to Tuesday morning and look around and see what they have. It's kind of a thing that I do, but I'm kind of missing that I don't get to do that. So I think I'm going to put Dita, right there, like that. I'm going to put her there like that. It was fun putting her together. I hadn't done one of these in a while. So I thought I'd try it again. So I cut out some more squares and some more squares with my box cutter, and got a few flowers to play with. So I'm just going to play a little bit. I think over here, I want to put this. So I want something like this here. And I want to, let me lay it out a little bit and see how I'm going to like it. Like that there, like that. I'd like a box here. I'd like another one down here for balance. That. And that, like that one. Like it like that. And I think I like a red one here. Like a red one there. Like that. I think I'd like some washi. Let me look at my washi and see what I got. I think I'd like a little washi there. I think I want a little red washi. They're both the same, I think. I think I want this one, a real thin washi. We all have so much washi. So I kind of wanted the thin washi. Put that down here. Let's put the thin washi down here. Give it some red in there. Put that down there. Like that. Like that. Kind of crooked. See if I can straighten it up. There. I like that. So I think I'm liking that so far with the washi. So I'll finish putting the washi down. So I went out for a walk today, and I started going down this one street, and I noticed that all my neighbors were out walking around. And I said, well, let me cut back, because I'm still doing my social avoidance thing. So if you're doing your social avoidance thing, the last thing you want to do is be around a whole bunch of people. So, but I did have fun today down checking out my supplies. I looked through everything that I had down there, and I was like, wow, wow. It's a good thing you don't shop, because you can't shop, because it's not like you need another thing. You got a little bit of everything down there. But I did like the fact that I had these Julie Nutting dolls down there, and that I could, you know, play around with them and do a little bit of play with this, because I think this is, I like the way these dolls are, and I like playing, you know, doing a little bit with them and stuff. And they had some new ones out. So I wanted to get one of those. Oh, I wanted to get one of the new ones they had out. I think I kind of want to offset that like that. I want to do that to it. Oh. Sometimes I think I should use tape. Okay, I like the way this is looking. I'll clean it up. I like the way this is looking. And I like a red corner. Like one more red corner down here. Okay. So I want a red corner down here. Over here. All right. So I think I like the way this page is looking so far. I think I do like the way, I do like the look of it. I do like the look of it. And I made these little bows. I had this little bow punch. So I made these little bows. And I want to put that bow right there. I'll put that little bow right there. I like the way that looks so far. So I'm gonna finish up this. I think I like the way this page looks. I'm gonna add some other stuff to this, but let me play around with this page a little bit. I want to add, where's my washi? You know what, don't you hate that when you're doing stuff and you put your stuff down and you go, where's my stuff? Where's my stuff? So I want to lay this washi down because I like the way it looks. I'm hoping that everybody's still into their planning, even though that, you know, you're not got a lot to do, you still need to keep track of things. If you don't have other stuff to do, then use your planner for a little bit of memory keeping. Just keep up with what you got to do. Use it for a little memory keeping. I have a friend who, excuse me, I got that on my, that's kind of rude. I have a friend who's doing that. She's using, because she doesn't have to go to work and she's not going anywhere. So she said she was going to use hers for memory keeping. And that's a good thing, to use it, to just keep, just so she could not get to the point where she's not using her planner. So she said she wanted to use it for memory keeping. So you could do that. You can keep track of what's going on, make a little diary, keep track of what you're watching. Everybody's Netflixing and watching everything. Keep track of what you're reading. I'm going to try to do a craft with me to show everybody how I made my my library book journal. So I'm going to do a craft with me so you can see how I made that, so you can keep track of your books and what you're reading. Because I find myself that sometimes I like to read some of my things over. So I like to read stuff over. So I had my little watch there, starting to make a little noise. So I like to read some of my stuff over. So I like to do that. But if you're going to read some of your stuff over, you might as well keep track of what it is that you're reading, so you'll have some idea of what you're doing. I just like going through all my stuff and figuring out what I got. I think this one is fun. Doing this is fun. I like this one. This one was fun. This one is fun. So I really like this one, getting this done and doing it this way. And getting all my stuff prepared, and I just like planning and keeping my planner up to date, and I like decorating it. Decorating for me is a creative outlet. I like the creativity of it. I like to be able to play around in it, figure out what I'm doing, making it pretty. So I just like it. Like I said before, I don't think there's been a time when I didn't have my planner or used my planner. I've always had it and used it and kept it decorated. Even before we had all the stickers, I'd have these little teeny weeny stickers that I decorate and that I used to decorate with. What do I want to do with this one? I don't think I want that one. I think I want a red square. Okay, so I think I'm there. I have everything where I want it. I have all the stuff where I want it. I want this one to be off-centered with that, like that. I like the glue because you can move your stuff some more. So I have all the colors down that I like. Let's see how it's looking. I have all the colors. Put that there. So I have all the colors the way I want it. Looks like that so far, and I think that's very pretty. I want to add a couple of stickers to be able to mark things down. I like to add that in there. Like a little box here. Put a little box there. I got all these boxes. I have colorful boxes, but I don't want to use them today. I want to stay with this black and white theme. I want this box here. I want to do this one here. I want to put it at the top. So Thursday, I have quite a few things to do because I'm still working. So I have stuff to do. And I want to use this box here. And I have another bowl. So I want to put on this box. There. Well, maybe not that bowl. Let's use this bowl. Let's balance the bowls off. Let's use this bowl. So I want to use that bowl. And that's my spread for the week. Thank you for joining me. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Also, subscribe because I keep going through my stuff and finding all kinds of new and cool and different things. So, thank you for joining me. Thank you for coming back. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.